Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Choices from the core. Whatever you focus on consistently will eventually seep into your reality. You can choose light or darkness in a world of temptation. There's a myriad of choices out there in the open space. While freedom comes knocking at your door, experiment while keeping in mind whatever you choose alters the course and becomes the essence of your journey. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about 3 things you are grateful for from yesterday. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for the time I got to spend with my wife. I'm very grateful for a phone call I received. And I am grateful to have received a new part for my computer. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.